her mother, and her godmother.
sanu vinay jamu. Tanin vinay zakho giza hago kumupat gon ho. So this is the hemon. The sidu story tempo untani tehu. Jong continue rensha. Asha gagi hogi. Pagkagi hogi ochunanga. Adios sadahu. Sidu's inginiha.
We also find this in the story of how the Chamorro people see themselves in the figure of Santa Maria Carmelin, a woman they believed in so deeply.
wasn't raw in Chamorro society. Everything flowed through them, while the men tried to be Banadosu with all their chosen strength. But why did the Spanish have to go and change the Chamorro culture and traditions that existed long before they came? The Magahaga was important to our way of life. She maintained our culture and was the real center of power.
I think it was all about the fact that the Spanish only sent men to bomb to begin with. You don't hear about the Spanish women in our history books either. I think the Spanish actually feared the Magahagas because they couldn't control them. At least with the men, they could fight them with their swords. Typical men. It's always about who's got a bigger and better one. That's something that hasn't changed since the beginning of time.
Magahaga. I like the sound of that. The boss of the blood. It has a nice ring to it.
I can't imagine what it must have been like when the Spanish first came. I mean, it really must have been hard on our people to have these strangers come with their metal and armor and force their ways on us.
That's why there were so many Chamorro revolutionaries like Corral who tried to fight them. Man, that dude was awesome.
Well, it was a really messed up time for our people. I mean, they took away so many of the things that made our people so unique. Our culture had developed over thousands of years before they came, and poof, it was all gone in less than a generation.
But it's just like Funa said, it's not our practices alone that make us a people, it's that spirit and strength, the ability to adapt and change no matter what challenges we face.
Yeah, but when we think about it, we may have that spirit and strength. But when we adapt and change, don't we further dilute our culture and traditions at the same time? How many more times can we adapt and change before we lose ourselves as Chamorros?
Ningaya ni talanta tuna. Tenga maheto. Fihu etso. Laugagagiha. In all the history of the Chamorro people, the hardest times came after the Chamorro-Spanish Wars. The Chamorro people and their islands were transformed into a battleground for the empires of Japan and the United States. But the Chamorro people found ways to maintain their traditions and hold on to their sense of sovereignty despite the changes forced upon them as subjects of a faraway ruler. They quietly integrated these traditions and changed into the changes forced upon them as subjects. They were able to rebuild their sense of strength through traditions and stories.
Oh, I know! Just like the legend of Two Lovers Point. Remember when we performed it at United Ninaga? Such a wonderful love story. The way he looked at her. The way she looked at him.
Esta great historia Ibu bidon Umat waida Ni tujuannya Anak umat sudah hilang Kulani nanawi sagman Kinigi amoda Nuwi gwinaitan hiya Gokiwood Lo sentagu Esta historia Pontanos umat waida Ilantu, Tidak benar bara ilantu Panggaulu mengatrasau Alula-lula zata dingu adau Alula-lula zata dingu adau Mengamala penuh trusted Pusing sampai terenggalu lalu Tamu malala penuh kenwar Nasi guru dan kabalis Nasi guru dan kabalis Ilantu Tidak benar bara ilantu Panggaulu mengatrasau Alula-lula zata dingu adau iya daw Atis kumatu papa iya daw Ilan tu Bita banana bara ilan tu Banga ulu monga atrasau Alula lula tete dingu adau Alula lula tete dingu adau Ilan tu Ilan tu Ilan tu Ilan tu Si just testigu naman guay sa nuhogu Saan tiyo nagradesi ungan mo tayo zupogu
question for everyone, but it really feels weird asking it with moving spirit around.
What is it, bro?
You know, I remember when I first started dancing, I would always get teased by my friends. I mean, yeah, I really enjoyed being a part of United Gift Palu, but my friends would always tease me, say I was a fake for dancing in loincloth pretending to be Hawaiian or Tahitian, but they couldn't even tell the difference.
I know what you mean. Some people will tell me there's no such thing as Chamorro dance. They would even go as far as to say that there are no more Chamorros, that we're all just Guamanian. They tell me to stop trying to be something I'm not.
I don't get it. We just want to dance and express our culture. Keep our culture alive by telling our stories through our dances. As far as I'm concerned, as long as we don't forget who we are and where we came from, no matter where we're headed, we'll always be Chamorro.
But these are not some foreigners from off island. These are Chamorros that we grew up with. These are Chamorros who say they're proud 1 minute, and the next they would tease us and put us down. But I never saw them do nothing to help save our culture. It was all just talking coming out of their mouth with no action.
It's like that dance we did a few years ago, where we poke fun of those people who are so fast to criticize, but have no clue of who or what culture they want to be a part of.
He
one time. Fanato, Fanato, Fanato. Ungana malapa ilina ni sanata. Kuteta puna, iwe lota makori sanu ilina lota. Para hita iba magonia. Ungana malapa ilina ni sanata. Kuteta puna, iwe lota makori sanu ilina lota. Para hita iba magonia. When I was a pretty little baby, my mama used to rock in my cradle, in my home. I'm not feel back home. Hoover, 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 Hoover. How low can you go? Can you go down low? All the way to the floor? How low can you go? Can you reach the sun? Take it up that sun. Can you reach the sun? One more time. It's a moru. It's a moru. It's a moru. Remeko and Rabu. Remeko and Rabu. Remeko and Rabu. Ungatu mapinu ikese. Kena wamba inasamu. Lalago hao. Umoju kase. Kota moru inasamu. Samoru hao.
Okay, so my question is, if everyone is supposed to have that inner strength and spirit of the Chamorro people, why do they make so much fun of us? Why doesn't everybody today see just how important our culture is and help keep it alive?
I think I know what Foon is trying to do, but I still don't get how it relates to what our island is going through today. All of these visions and stories that Funa shares with us talk about that inner strength.
I hate to admit it, but we're just too westernized. We're too lazy. What's the word for lazy again in Chamorro?
Leilani, that's one word you should know.
Whatever, Spanish.
You guys, it's gaggle. But honestly, in the past, our Chamorro people were willing to fight to protect their culture that is not wiped from the face of the earth. Our Chamorro bloodlines are so diluted, along with our language and traditions. I mean, there's even more foreigners on the island than there are Chamorros. I'm not saying that's a bad thing. It's just sad that our people are forgetting what made us so unique in the first place. Where is all that strength that Funa is talking about?
The strength isn't gone, guys. It's still here. Maybe we just focus it on the wrong things these days.
Yeah, like texting, YouTube, and digital TV.
Guys, I think the strength Luna's talking about is there in us. But like she said, it's up to us to use it or not. Our ancestors created a society that lasted for thousands of years before the Spanish came, and they had to fight to keep it after they got there. I guess the question is whether we are willing to protect what little culture we have left. And I'm not just talking about our fiestas. It's so much more than that. Our culture has always been tied to our land, the sea, and nature. I think Funa's message is about preserving what little we have left, just as our ancestors tried to do.
Bandi Nancy Hantu. Ihe na sokusia amko. Za humazongnya amkusiha lokwi isinanganto. The uncertainty and fear that I see in your faces tonight, I have seen over the course of thousands of years. But I also sense that strength. That strength is in your questions and in your voices tonight. It was what brought you here to the jungles of Paget, and it will be soon tested when the sun rises. The last time I saw that fear tested was during the days of the Great World War. The strength and endured by your grandparents and your great-grandparents, helping more than 20,000 Chamorros survive the terrors of that time. That spirit and that strength is the key to the Chamorro survival.
Sa gagi si Raymond sa Tago fight.
Tago fight. Tago fight. Tago fight. Tago fight. Doro ko tinango Handi wakau sana Nampak seperti si Raymond sana Kahalah tu si Raymond Kaha orang tua Macam sasa orang Bunga hitam batang harga Dan lalu si Raymond sana Si syukur ku segundungnya Dah harapnya si Luna Itu Nina Mogasri Bye.
Yes, it's almost dawn and the Marines are going to be here to start their maneuvers and live fire exercises. We should get out of here quick. What does Funa want us to do?
Yeah, what has all this been about? What's going to happen?
Junior, what's going on? What are you doing over here?
I don't know. It's so confusing, you know? I spent all my life being the Joker. I didn't have many friends in high school, and nobody wanted to hang around me. I joined United Get Pago because I wanted to be a part of something and be around other people.
Well, it worked, didn't it? I remember when you first joined, you were so shy, never saying a word to anyone. But then you started opening up, cracking a joke here and there. Pretty soon you became Junior the Jokester, always making everyone laugh, even Mr. Rages.
Well, that's the problem. It seems I've always hidden behind my jokes while everyone else moved ahead. I mean, look at me. I'm still as skinny as I was when I first started in the dance group, remember? Even Mr. Rages would keep me in the back while all the buff guys got to dance in the front.
Junior, how can you say that? It had nothing to do with how you look. Besides, it's not about being buff or having ripped abs. It's what's inside of you that counts. And you know what? I like you just the way you are. You have heart and soul, something very rare in guys these days.
You really think so?
Believe me, I know from experience. Big muscles and ripped abs are highly overrated. They generally come with thick heads and no brains.
So why are we out here, Leilani? Who said us to make a choice tonight?
Yeah, well, we better figure it out soon, because those Marines are going to be here any minute.
That's it. Leilani, that's it.
What's it, Junior? What are you talking about?
Let's go, let's talk to the others. Guys, I think I figured it out.
Figure it out.
Why Funa brought us out here? It's about the Marines.
Yeah, it's gonna be about the Marines, all right. Especially when they drag us out of here and lock us all up.
Oh my gosh, do you really think they'll lock us up? My dad is gonna be so mad at me.
Don't worry, girl. I got connects. My uncle's director of DOC.
Quiet down. Let's hear what he has to say.
Yeah, girls, give Junior a chance to tell us what he's thinking.
Guys, all this talk about the strength, this place, the Laddystone, Funa, spirit.
Junior, slow down. What are you talking about?
Guys, it all came together when I was standing next to the Laddystone. This place is sacred, but it's much more than that. For the past 7 years, the military buildup has been happening all around us. I mean, yeah, there's some good things about it, but it seems we've been so caught up in it that our past is fading further and further away from us.
Leilani, what the heck is he talking about?
Go on, Junior, go on.
Funa brought us out here and took us on a journey of our past, to give us strength to protect it for the future, to fight for this sacred place and everything it represents. It's kind of like what we've been doing in United Get Pago, but in a bigger way.
Wow, bro. What's gotten into you, man?
Gara, for the past 7 years, we've all had the same feeling of emptiness, like something's missing. Tassi, Sana, Issa, all of you had the same feeling, haven't you? Gara, you said it yourself. The only thing you've been videotaping was the stories of people losing their land and their culture. Mariana, remember that day you came up here for our graduation? Remember how we promised each other that we would stay in touch? What happened?
But Junior, what can we do? We're just 7 kids wandering around in the jungle. We can't change anything.
Especially if we're locked up.
But that's what Funa's been trying to tell us. We're not just 7 kids running around the jungle. All of this history is our history. It's our story. We can choose to lose it or we can choose to protect it. That's a choice she's been talking about.
Junior, you are correct. Everything that you've been given has been lost. The beauty of our island has been squandered without a second thought to what was there before. Now, the sacred place we call Paget lies on that same path. I remember when the day you came here with the Netnangekpa. I remember seeing that fire in your heart. And so, I called you here tonight because down deep, I know that you are destined for greater things. Now you are here. I have done my best to prepare you. And what you do next is up to you. Every generation has been given the same choices. But will they make the same mistakes as the generations before them? Or will they let history sweep them away or try to change its course? You have that choice. You can leave and go home, or you can stay and take a stand. Our ancestors, buried deeply within this sacred soil, we are ready to stand with you, to guide you.
This is it. I can't go on joking my way through life. I can't go on feeling this emptiness. I gotta stand for something, for our people, and for this place, and so many more just like it.
But Junior, I'm scared.
I am too, Leilani, but I feel more alive than I have in a long, long time. Gaurav, what do you think? Will you stand with me?
Well, my family already thinks I'm crazy. And I'll probably just lose my job down at the port. Besides, bro, who's gonna be the one to laugh at your jokes in jail?
Tossie, Susanna.
Junior, this is so Kajuku. You want us to take on a whole Marine division? I'm so much smarter than this, but we didn't make that promise when we graduated. And this is what we were all about back then. Pushing our culture through our dances and our chants.
Tassie, are you sure about this? Okay. This is really crazy, but I'm in.
Rihanna, what about you?
If I don't stay, I just know you guys are gonna come into my dreams and turn them into nightmares. I'll never get a good night's sleep for the rest of my life.
Why are y'all looking at me that way? You expect me to find my way out of here all alone if I don't stay? Oh, my dad is so gonna be mad at me.
Leilani, what about you?
It's okay, Leilani. You probably already met half of these Marines at Hooters anyway.
Leilani, you don't have to do this. I understand if you don't.
No, Junior. If you're going to stay, then so am I. All of us made that promise back then, and all of us have to keep it. For ourselves and all the generations before us and after us. It's not about us anymore. It's about our island and our people. I'll be alright as long as you're here with me. As long as we're all together.
Alright then. Okay, let's try blue. Who good? And if you out! Knees up!
Hafa and good evening, Guam. I'm Josh Tikenko. Thanks for joining us for the May 30th, 2017 edition of PNC News. At the top of your news this evening, the first planned military exercise and live firing practice was halted abruptly this morning with the discovery of 7 young people who were reportedly found barring the way of the Marines in Pagat, Manilao. Officials say they were found in a clearing next to a Laddystone site with locked arms and refusing to move. Commander Kevin Jones of the U.S. Marine Corps says they halted the exercise to ensure the safety of the group of civilians. The demonstration has sparked a huge outcry from local Chamorro groups who rallied behind the demonstrators. Political leaders are now in discussions with DOD to look into other locations to conduct training exercises in the near future. The Pagat area is one of the last untouched areas on Guam, and it's rich in historical artifacts and also one of the few remaining areas that contains the remains of a full ancient Chamorro village. In other news this evening, JFK students will be granted
Over these past 10 years, I have become a vehicle in which my ancestors' voices are heard. People call me a choreographer, entertainer, practitioner, or educator, but I am simply a son of this island and a representative of a heritage that spans thousands of years before me. As we make our way in this world, we will continue to move forward. Tatulus Modna and continue our journey. I have been blessed with this responsibility. Blessed to instill in our youth a pride and identity of this culture, our culture, that is way bigger than me. Fanhasu, Fanhita, Fanatsu. This is a beautiful gathering. This is Inetnu Gepagu, celebrating the dance of our journey. Simply beautiful.
Antes malopan winipi tau tau ta ni zata usa igalai zata hadu wi distancia zata hadu ilinalan samol pagunatatanum ihaletan tapan apatizan inafan maule tapan danya tapan paregu Paratapan makungok niun kanta zaugu ho.
13, I had my first love. There was nobody that compared to my baby, and nobody came between us or could ever come above. She had me going crazy. Oh, I was starstruck. She woke me up daily. Don't need no Starbucks. She made my heart pound. And skip a beat when I see her in the street and at school on the playground. But I really wanna see her on the weekend. She knows she got me dazing, cause she was so amazing. And now my heart is breaking, but I just keep on saying